Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 3x plus 9 equals 21 to find the value of the variable x. Follow along as we go step by step through the process of isolating the variable and solving for its value. Let's get started. Step 1. We begin with the equation 3x plus 9 equals 21. Our goal is to isolate the variable x, meaning we want to get x by itself on one side of the equation. Right now, x is being multiplied by 3 and then 9 is added to it. To start, we need to get rid of the plus 9 part since it is added to 3x. We can do this by subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. In arithmetic, subtracting the same number from both sides of an equation keeps the equation balanced or equal. So we take 3x plus 9 equals 21 and subtract 9 from the left side. This changes the left side to read 3x because 9 minus 9 is 0, and adding 0 doesn't change the value. Now we must do the same thing to the right side of the equation to keep it balanced. 21 minus 9 equals 12. So after performing this operation, our new simplified equation is 3x equals 12. This means that after removing the 9, we are left with 3 times x equals 12. Step 2. Now that we have the equation 3x equals 12, our next goal is to isolate x. The equation is telling us that 3 times x equals 12. To get x by itself, we need to undo the multiplication by 3. In arithmetic, the way to undo multiplication is by using division. So we will divide both sides of the equation by 3. Just like subtracting the same number from both sides keeps the equation balanced, dividing both sides by the same number keeps it balanced as well. We start by dividing the left side. 3x divided by 3 simplifies to x because any number divided by itself is 1, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times x is just x. Now we must do the same division on the right side. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. After doing this division, our new equation is x equals 4. This is the simplified and final form of the equation. We have successfully isolated x and found that x equals 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.